What's good, YouTube? We're back here today. I figured out where the fucking spacers and washers and all that shit go. Found a new gasket in the box of shit the guy gave me with this bike, so that's good. And it's an OEM gasket too. Dude, it's fucking 20 degrees. It's freezing out here, bro. I ordered a gasket kit, but it came with fucking a paper gasket for this side, and that sucks dick. I don't want to use a paper gasket if I don't have to. Come on, dude. That looks about right. Hey, come on, stop being a cocksucker. Get on there. Yep. All right. I'm just. Fucking hate doing this shit in the cold, man. Really sucks dick doing this shit out here in the fucking freezing temperatures. I didn't even want to do this shit today. I was like, fuck it. I just got out of work and I was driving past my storage unit. I was like, might as well. There. There we go. Yeah. Seems it's on there, right? Yeah, it looks like she's sitting alright. Guess it was just fucking cocked weird. How many screws are on this fucking piece of shit? One. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. You fucking hooker. Boom. I'm gonna leave that one loose because look at that shitty wire stay, bro. That's gonna cut whatever fucking wire I put there because it's not coated anymore. But I've owned so many Suzukis that I got like 20 of these sitting in my room somewhere. So oh no, don't you fucking fall in there. Nice try, nice try. Okay, I got it running, but it took a lot for me to get this thing fucking running, bro. When I had it running, she was being a cunt. A big ass cunt. Took like 40 minutes to get her running. Turns out the float valve, like oh shit, the float valve in the fucking carb was cooked. So I rebuilt the carb, and I haven't tried starting her yet after that. And then I realized too, after I rebuilt the carb, that I routed the wiring harness wrong. So I got the wiring harness all fucking retarded right now, but I figured out how to route it the right way. So we're getting there. We are getting there. Come on, cocksucker. There we go. All right. So there's that one. 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 That one we're not gonna tighten yet. And then there's that one. And I'm missing the bushing that goes in there, along with that starter gear. Where the fuck's that bushing? That's for the water pump. Okay, I saw those screws. I'm like, dude, what the fuck are those screws for? Put it in the way it came out. Bitch. That one's short. Another long one. Right? 1, 2, 3. Come on. Okay, that's it for that. Really don't want to strip these. That's it for that. That's it for that. Yep. Yep, that one's not moving anymore. Yep. Put this fucking on there for now. Let's fucking finish this here. Of course, this gasket is buried. I like having a little bit of oil when I put these gaskets on. Just like that amount. Fuck, compact, dude. I don't know what I want to do yet, because I have the E subframe, but I don't know if I should just keep the S subframe on here right now. But I feel like the E subframe will make more sense because it is lighter. We're gonna need way more fucking oil than this. I don't know why I do this. Someone taught me how to do this when I first started working on bikes, and I guess it's just to not have the fucking gasket get caked on the next time you go and take it off. I don't know if this really helps, but it helps my peace of mind. That's gonna be it here. Here's this with the new water pump installed. Case is on there. The way I did the screws was, one was black. Whatever black one that was, I guess it's starting from this way. I guess it's gonna start this way and then go clockwise, because I put that there. Fucking popping out. Oh, cunt. Yes. 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 The clutch cover is on. Let's tighten everything. Start here. We can work our way around. 1, 2, 3. Do the water pump and actual clutch thing separate. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll do the clutch. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And what? 1, 3, 4. Yep. Alright, this side's done. Covers are back on the bike. Next thing I want to install today is this, the overflow. My original overflow, somewhere over there. The nipple was cracked. So let's just do this. Let's get it done. It's never fucking easy, buddy. I was gonna do the turkey baster mod, but dude, fuck all that. I don't want to do turkey baster bullshit if I don't have to. Alright guys, so we got the engine covers on, new gaskets, Loctite mod, all that shit. We got this on too, the overflow. I wanted to get that done. Next video we'll do a new valve cover maybe. Definitely figure out the wiring harness and routing all these hoses and all this shit. And then I gotta rebuild the brakes because I'm not getting any pressure to the rear brake right now at all. What else? Chain, sprocket, throw the other supermoto wheel on, which I got in my house. Yeah, and she's coming along, man. We're still trying to determine if I'm gonna use this subframe or that subframe right there, the E subframe. Still don't know yet, because I bought that subframe a while ago because I knew I was gonna end up having a DRZ in the future, because I got a good deal on that subframe off Facebook Marketplace. I got it for like 20 bucks. We still don't know yet though, so I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah, we're almost there. Riding season's almost here. I'm getting tired of these fucking 20-degree days. Until next time, guys, deuces. Your boy Full Throttle Josh, out. Peace.